If you need to resend a Calendly invite, the fastest and most reliable way is to pull the meeting details from Calendly and send them directly to the invitee by email. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can resend the invite quickly without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Calendly and go to your scheduled events or meetings section. This is where all of your upcoming and past bookings are listed, so you can find the exact event you want to resend. Once you're inside, look for the upcoming meeting that needs to be shared again and open it. When the event details load, copy the Zoom meeting link and the password if one is included. These are the most important details the attendee will need to join the call. Make sure you copy everything accurately so the invitee doesn't run into any issues when the meeting time comes. Now, open your email app, whether that's Gmail or Outlook. You can use whichever one you normally communicate with the invitee through. Create a brand new email and address it to the person who needs the invite, Resend. In the body of the email, paste the Zoom meeting link and the password. You can also add a short message like a reminder of the meeting date and time, so everything is clear at a glance. Keeping the message simple and organized makes it easier for the recipient to find the information they need quickly. Once you've checked that the link, password, and recipient email are all correct, hit send. That's it. You've successfully resent the Calendly invite manually by sharing the meeting details again. This method is especially useful if the original invite was missed, deleted, or needs to be forwarded to the right person again. It only takes a minute, and it keeps the meeting information accessible without having to recreate the event. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tutorials, scheduling tips, and step-by-step software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.